ever heard of the transmutation of energy? Specifically, how to turn your pain into purpose? It's not magic, dude. It's just practice. We're not gonna be turning water into wine or lead into gold. That would be pretty dope, though. Our pain, our struggles, they are not meaningless. In fact, they are the most potent fuel for our personal transformations. Imagine your pain as this raw, unrefined energy that's just waiting to be harnessed. Pain is power. You're not supposed to be punishing yourself with your own pain. Remember, pain is nothing more than a signal from our brain, not who we are. It's just a piece of information that we can use to make change. And I like how I'm giving you my 2 cents. It's basically your body saying, hey, something's not right, dude. We gotta make some changes. And most of us receive that pain from getting too much, too fast, way too soon. That's called trauma. And that is where the transmutation comes from. You've received the pain, which means you've received the power. What are we gonna do with it? It's all about taking that raw, chaotic energy and transmuting it into something positive. No, I'm not talking about live, laugh, love. It's something purposeful, into drive, into resilience, into passion, into your own personal power. That's what the pain gave you. Power. It's not about trying to deny the pain or forget about it. It's about acknowledging it, understanding it, and using that pain to propel you forward, especially on your journey to sobriety and recovery. Think you don't have what it takes? You've literally been given everything you need. You're not alone in this, man. I've been there. I've felt this pain. That fear, that uncertainty, it's not easy, man, but nothing worthwhile ever is. It took me 18 months to recover from liver failure. Pain is a part of life, but suffering is optional. Take that pain, channel it, do something with it, transmute that pain into energy and let it drive you down your recovery journey. There are millions of people that haven't been privileged with the pain that you're hanging on to right now, but we're not letting it define us anymore. We're using it to shape our destiny. Your journey is yours, and only you have the power to shape its course.